However, peho que me da one tune na chalo lang. Kwa hako ko yot kom. O Rome nya tu jonyo. Kido hamede. Polero ke Lira City.
Leaders are concerned as Lira City registered high rate of HIV new infections. Welcome to News Today on Lao News Channel.
Dok piny ami japor bala leptong amano dok dum ti 4.3%.
The chairperson LC5 of Aleptong District, David Kennedy Odon, who is also the chair of Lao District Chairpersons and City Mayor Association, called upon non-governmental organizations and other leaders of Lango to support Lira City in the fight against HIV.
Unana kwao wale partners wale US aid gi kede jo kana tie mewe ko donyu kede dir mo ko binu neni utemo do ko Rome nya to jonyo Lira City mewe ko jo wabed kanga ba.
The mayor of Lira City East Division, George Okalayo, said in every 100 people, 12 are affected by HIV. While presiding over the pass-out of the youth who are trained on various skills at Faliu Skill Training Hub in Lira City, Okalayo cautioned the youth against irresponsible behaviors that can expose them to HIV.
My city here is not safe. Let me hope you are picking me. I don't even want to speak loud now. My city here is not safe. The HIV prevalence is very high. Don't even clap. I want to tell them, out of 100 people here, the prevalence is 12%. 12%. If you pick 100 people, you pick 100 people, you'll get 12 people positive. And that is not very good for us as a nation, as a city. So I want to request you and advise you already, now that you're moving out, be very careful. Protect yourself. If you cannot avoid, you know what you're supposed to be doing. If that thing is itching you, you know what you're supposed to be doing. Don't play with your life recklessly. HIV is there and is real. If you are positive, you cannot move yourself and your family and this nation forward. And that is why I am the mayor, I am the chairperson HIV in my division. I normally talk about it when I meet young people like you. So be very careful. HIV is there. Be very careful. Protect yourself. Now that you've got skill, go and do hard work there. But be very mindful about your life. I hope I have spoken.
According to Uganda HIV fact sheets, last year 2023, Wakiso district got the highest number of HIV new infections, that is 4,900, Kampala at 2,800, Buikwe district at 700, Mukono also at 700, Chejojo at the 5th position with 600, Lira City at the 6th position with 600, Luero with 600. Other districts also include Oyam, 438 new infections last year, Apaj district, 258 new infections, Kole, 255, Lira district, 225 new infections, Kwania, 221 new infections, Aleptong district, 197 new infections, Dohlo district, 187 new infections, Amolata districts, 160 new infections, Utuhe district, 89 new infections. In Uganda, the district with the least number of new infections is Nabila Tuk, with only 9 people getting new HIV infections last year 2023. However, the report also shows that there is a significant decline in the number of people getting new HIV infections in Uganda. In 2022, 52,000 got new HIV infections, but the number reduced to 38,000 in 2023. For Lion News Channel, I am Denish Ongora, Lira City.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.